Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a Binance account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. If you just want to create your account without any freebies, you can go ahead and go to Binance.com on your phone or computer and just go ahead and start with your email and phone number and just click on sign up and you're good to go. Now, if you want a 20% fee discount plus $100 bonus in fee upon signing up, well, you can go ahead and go to the comment section of this video and just click on this link. All right. Instead of going to this section, you'll be landed to this particular page. So all you have to do is just enter your phone or email. Okay. For example, I'm going to be using this email right here. Now, once that's done, just click on the tick box and hit on next. All right. It says here, verification code was sent to your email. So I'm just going to go ahead and check it out. And then I'm just going to copy and paste. All right, copy and paste the code from my Gmail. All right, now in this section, you'll be adding your password. So just go ahead and type down a password. Now, once done, hit on next. Now it says here, welcome aboard. Your account has been created and linked to this referral. Well, that means that you have successfully acquired a 20% fee discount plus $100 bonus in fee. All right, just hit on next. And from here in the next pages, you will be asked to verify your identity. Okay, you can go ahead and use any ID cards that you have, driver's license or password, or even residence permit. Just make sure to select the correct country, and the document types available right here may vary. All right, you can go ahead and hit on continue. Or if you just want to check your dashboard and verify later, you can go ahead and do so by going to the search bar and then the erase KYC center, okay, or even EN, like so. Hit on enter, and as you can see, I am already logged in, okay? If you want to verify, just go back to Binance.com and click on verify now. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.